Good morning guys, another beautiful day here in Leamington Spa. Today what we're going to do is we have to project the corner of the building because we've now got all of these nails in on the chimney stack. As you can see in the earlier project series, we needled all of the back wing of this property up. So what we're going to now do, now we've taken all the acros and the needles out, we need to project this corner of the building down to the footings here. Now, as you can see, I've started to set the string line and the plumbob up. This is the way we do it. Now, plumbobs, you can get different weights. This is a 30-ounce plumbob, and we use a heavier plumbob because the reason being is if you use too light a plumbob, the wind catches it all the time and it just sways around like this. What we'll do is I'll talk you through how we do it, plumbing something down from the corner of a building. So what we need to do is, as you can see, I put myself a 2v1 batten block up here, screwed to the top. I'm now going to set my line to the corner as close as I can. You can actually see the line is swaying away from the corner, and that's what I was talking about earlier, about the sway of the weight. So what I'm going to do is, I've got myself a little wedge, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to clamp that into there, and really, there we go, and then that way allow me to then get the line right into the corner where I want it to be. And what we're going to do now is, I know this corner point, when I transfer that line all the way down here like this, and then steady me plumbob up, I'll then be able to mark the corner of the building. So let's go down and have a look. As you can see, the plumbob's swaying around quite a lot because obviously we've moved it. It's set up on the corner, so what you now do is literally use your fingers like this. This is what I do anyway, and then start to steady it off. And what you do is you come in at two angles. The first angle is this way, so what I do is I steady like that, so I literally get that there, and that's then actually here. That's where it is, because you can see it's slightly swaying. Look, it's swaying past that line by about 3 mil, and then swaying back here about 3 mil. So I know that's the dead center line here. And what I do, once I've got that first line in, so I'm looking at this angle this way, I then move myself this way, like that, because what I want to do eventually is have a line that way and a line that way, and that would then tell me the corner of the building. And the reason I do this is because of the actual plumbob swaying. So literally now, same again, steady it up with 2 fingers like this, and then look, so look, you can see now, so that's there, just check it, it's got a sway on it again. The sway is even either side. That's right, just steady it up again. I can feel the wind. I mean, it's not windy at all today, so I can feel the wind on the line. It's really windy now. Feel it on the line. There we go. It's definitely there. So that now is the corner of my building. Okay. So basically, when I put a brick in, which I can show you now. Brick, nice old Leamington brick, beautiful. I'll move that away. That means my corner of my building is going to be there. And that's how we do it. Now, one of the questions that you might have in the box down below is that, what do you do if it's really, really windy? The next best thing to that is where you can get a cross-haired laser level, which are really, really good. And then what you'd have to do is you'd have to set and screw a marker plate so you know the laser level is projecting, so you can actually see the corner of the building. And that would be another way of doing it, but I prefer to use the plumbob. And then when I do this, I just pick my relevant day to make sure it's not too windy. I'm just going to double check that. That's really good. The sway's even onto the line, that's what I'm after. You see the wind now just blowing that off, but when it comes back, the sway's even. So I know that's my corner part of the building. Okay, so if you like this video, just hit the like button and subscribe while you're there. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.